Cary Estate Planning offers several services to ensure that you have peace of mind about your future. Today, founder and estate planning lawyer Paul Yokovitis joins us again to talk about why unmarried couples still need estate planning. Paul, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
I love always your expertise. I come from a family of lawyers, and I feel like you just have it all going on at Cary Estate Planning. So let's talk unmarried couples.
Absolutely.
Why is it important for them to plan as well?
Yeah, unmarried couples are obviously have a lot in common with married couples. The love that they have for each other, things they want to share. It's just that there is no legal relationship between them, and so there's often some rights that are missing, some rights to act on behalf of each other, some rights to receive from each other.
Yeah. Okay, so for those partners out there, what are those legal rights that we need to be thinking of, even though they're not married?
Yeah, often, unfortunately, same-sex or opposite-sex partners that are not married sometimes just get cut out of different decisions. And so that could be in a hospital setting if we need someone to make decisions for ourselves, if we're incapacitated, the types of procedures we receive, what our end-of-life care may look like. An unmarried partner may not be able to be in on that conversation unless we give them the authority to be there. It could be HIPAA rights. It could be the ability to be the agent in a healthcare power of attorney. And then certainly if something happens to us that results in our death, we are not the default heir of a partner, right? We're not in the family tree. We're not next of kin. We have no legal relationship. And so we're often inadvertently disinherited if we don't have that legal connection in some way.
Because it's not there in writing.
That's right.
So when they visit you in Cary Estate Planning, you covered it beautifully, but why is planning so important for those who are partners and need those things locked and loaded for later in life?
Yeah, we're trying to put a legal strategy and legal tools in place that's effectively meant to bridge that gap. So it's meant to give the authority that's otherwise missing for lack of a legal relationship, and then also be able to intentionally benefit each other in a meaningful way, instead of things just kind of falling to whatever the defaults would be, whatever the state says should be your heirs or should be the people who can advocate for you.
Yeah, it's not going to be default. It has to be through y'all.
That's it. That's right.
We've got to get that estate in order.
Right.
So for those unmarried couples, how can they get in contact with Cary Estate Planning, learn about all you do, because you really offer a variety of services?
Absolutely. So our process will always start with visiting our website. It's CaryEstatePlanning.com, just as the name would say. And we're just going to be putting in place a strategy that's very meaningful, very individual to the couple, and trying to promote just the outcomes that they want to promote.
Yeah, you help them step by step through the process. You make it easy on them, not to overwhelm them, but get everything in order.
That's it. It's always person-centered planning, always unique, not a one-size-fits-all.
Yeah, great team of attorneys. Thank you so much, Paul, as always.
Thanks for having me.